to reset your African bank account password. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your African bank account password. To reset your African bank account password, first of all, you will have to go to their website. For that, open any preferred web browser on your device, and once you reach to the home page of your browser, at the address bar, type the name of the website ib.africanbank.co.za. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. Once you enter this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard to browse it. Now you will be taken to the official website of African Bank. Here at the left side, you will find the login interface from where you can log into your African Bank account. Here below login, you will find forgot login details. Next to it, you will find the reset button. Go ahead and click on this reset button and you will be presented with these options. Here it asks you to select the credentials you would like to reset. From these options, select password here. Click on the little circle ahead of the password to select it. Once you have selected it, now click on this continue button at the bottom to continue further. Once you do so, again you will be taken to a new page. Now from here you can set your new password. Now from here you can finally reset your password. For that, in this first box, you will have to enter your username and the PIN. After adding your credentials, click on this continue button and then there you can set your new password. So by following these steps, you can easily reset your African bank account password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.